Alright, just watching this. Making sure everything's within 12 volts or whatever. The starter battery stays constant. Uh, but it just shows you how it charges the car. Most of the time when you're driving, it'll get to 13 and like 13 and a half, depending on the charge of the battery. The comfort battery is where it's supposed to be at. As you see right here. Yeah, it's where it's at, and the starter battery is fine where it's at too. So, and as long as this is above 12, you're good. But yeah, I had a freak accident. Well, not a freak accident. My car was cutting off. It cut off on me on the side of the road, which is eerie. But made it to my destination. Went to Advanced Auto Parts and got me a battery. Another starter battery. I got an AGM battery, so I'm gonna try this out and see how we roll. So I guess I'll transfer this to the group, and I'll put it on YouTube also. That way, I guess I can feed the knowledge to the group. Yep. But yeah, your starter battery goes out. Yeah, your car's gonna go out. Cause yeah, these things do not run without a battery. So normally on any other make, I think Volkswagen and Mercedes kind of do the same thing. Well, Volkswagen made cars and Mercedes. I'm not sure about BMW. I don't. I probably assume it's the same deal. You need the battery in order for the system to check that the car is okay and you can run, or you can use like a jumper pack. But it's not like a regular car where you can run everything off the alternator. Nah, it's not gonna happen. So, yep. So that's why your car will cut off if you're, I guess in this case, the starter battery decides to take a piss. So, oh well. Alright, this is enough of this live test screen. Just to show you. And yes, the 14 volts on the what you call it thing is that's pretty much what it is. Mine, I have a ground cut behind my radio, so it actually defaults to what's on the comfort battery, which should be, I think it's this right here. It defaults to that. So, but yeah, it's whatever. I'd rather have what's on the comfort battery than the starter battery anyways. Even though today taught me a little lesson, I might want to have that reversed, but I don't know. It don't scare me, but it's all good. Just to show y'all a little something.